Hello boys and girls. It's your boy SeanAnimate here. And today I'm going to play what it sounds like in front of everyone. Okay. Here we go. What just happened?
Roar! Roar! Scene, how dare you put what it sounds like? That's it! I will vote you!
And now you are going to jail for a very long time after a crime you just freaking committed in the mother freaking cinema. Let's get in the police car right freaking now.
Wow. I don't want to go to jail, I don't want to go to jail, I don't want to go to jail. Wow.
This will be your cell that you're going to stay in. If you try to escape, then you will sweep up the floor to get out. Now stop crying like a baby and go to sleep. Yeah, that's what I thought of.